For the ultimate fun-filled family getaway, Aqua Fantasy Aquapark Hotel and Spa is an unbeatable choice. Set on a stunning private beach, this resort is home to one of Turkey's best water parks, making it a dream destination for all ages. The rooms are spacious, modern, and designed for comfort, ensuring a relaxing stay after a day of excitement. The on-site Aquapark is the highlight, packed with thrilling slides, lazy rivers, and splash zones, offering endless fun for kids and adults alike. If you prefer to unwind, the resort's pools and beach provide the perfect escape. Dining is a treat, with a variety of restaurants serving everything from international favorites to delicious Turkish cuisine, catering to every taste. For those seeking relaxation, the luxurious spa offers rejuvenating treatments, a traditional hammam, and serene indoor pools. And in the evenings, live entertainment and themed nights keep the fun going. With top-class facilities and non-stop excitement, Aqua Fantasy is the perfect choice for an unforgettable family holiday in Kusadasi.